Hello and welcome to Home Decor Haul, a dedicated YouTube channel for your dream home requirements. If you have any query, please mention it at comment section. In this video, you shall see birthday home decoration ideas. For more ideas, please click I button link above the video screen. If you are new to my channel, subscribe for regular updates. Did a birthday sneak up on you without you realizing that your baby has turned one? And now you are worried and don't know how to pull things together for a rocking birthday event. Don't worry, we will help you organize a memorable party in a short time with these easy birthday decorations. Check out these amazing ideas for a birthday party and let the celebration begin. A lot goes into planning a birthday event. The stakes get higher if it is your first child's first birthday. The entire family is excited to be a part of the celebrations. Things are, however, different if it is a birthday party for an adult, for that special someone for whom you were waiting to organize a surprise birthday party. You need to work around a birthday theme that would excite him or her. Nonetheless, these birthday decor ideas can help you celebrate in a festive manner. Choosing the right theme, balloon arc setting the backdrop, a photo booth use glitter drop-down hangings. Decorating for a birthday party at home can be exhaustive. However, if you have set your mind and heart on a particular theme, then you have done half the job. There are plenty of fun birthday decor themes that you could choose from. Go for a rainbow colored backdrop, especially if your child is obsessed with colors. From the birthday decorations, birthday cake to the balloons, everything will be out of the same rainbow colors. In decorating the walls, you can have colorful garlands, cut out stripes of crepe paper of the 7 rainbow colors. Now twist them to create a spiral garland. Hang them from the walls. I believe this video will help you to get better ideas to decor your home for birthday party. For latest updates, subscribe to our channel, click the show links and enjoy watching the videos.